Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, visualized. Following the Declaration on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women in 1967, the UN General Assembly adopted this convention in 1979, which came into force in 1981. The convention aims to ban all discrimination against women, like any distinction, exclusion or restriction made based on sex, which has the effect or purpose of impairing or nullifying the recognition, enjoyment or exercise by women, irrespective of their marital status, based on gender equality, of human rights and fundamental freedoms in the political, economic, social, cultural, civil or any other field. States parties to the convention have to prohibit discrimination and promote gender equality, which may include temporary special measures aimed at accelerating de facto equality. Particular responsibilities provide for equality in education, employment, healthcare, and economic and social life, particularly regarding the problems faced by rural women. Equality is also provided for before the law, and in marriage and family matters. A committee was established under the Convention to evaluate the progress made in enforcing it, to examine reports from states parties and to report annually to the UN General Assembly. An optional protocol to the Convention was adopted in 1999 to allow individuals and groups to complain to the committee about any violations of the Convention, thereafter setting out the conditions for such complaints and the methods by which they are to be dealt with.